Are you looking to earn some extra money on the side? You're in luck. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of side hustles and share with you 5 profitable ideas to help you increase your income. Let's get started. A side hustle is a way to make extra money outside of your regular job. It can be a great way to pursue your passions, explore new interests, and of course, boost your bank account. So if you're ready to start making extra cash, here are 4 profitable side hustle ideas to consider. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, why not consider freelance writing? Websites, blogs, and businesses are always looking for talented writers to create engaging content. With a flexible schedule and the ability to work from anywhere, freelance writing can be a lucrative side hustle for those who love to write. 2. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have a knack for teaching, online tutoring can be a great way to earn extra income. With platforms like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors, you can connect with students in need of help and provide them with valuable educational support. 3. Graphic design. For those with a creative eye and a flair for design, graphic design can be a lucrative side hustle. From creating logos and branding materials to designing websites and social media content, there's no shortage of opportunities for graphic designers to showcase their skills and earn extra money. 4. Social media management. In today's digital age, businesses rely heavily on social media to connect with customers and promote their products and services. If you're social media savvy, why not offer your services as a social media manager? By creating engaging content, managing accounts, and analyzing performance metrics, you can help businesses grow their online presence while earning a side income. So there you have it, 4 profitable side hustle ideas to help you boost your income. Whether you're a writer, designer, animal lover, or social media guru, there's a side hustle out there for you. Get started today and unlock your potential for financial success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make extra money with side hustles. See you in the next video.